Have you ever thought that your nightly bedtime routine might be silently putting you at risk? Well, it's true. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), more than 70,000 senior citizens die in their sleep every year in the United States alone. And what is even more shocking is that many of these deaths aren't just a simple effect of aging. Instead, they're connected to potentially preventable habits before bedtime, things we often ignore. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to even the smallest changes. After the age of 60, your heart, brain, and respiratory system become more fragile and sleep patterns shift. Muscles weaken and habits that once seemed completely harmless can suddenly carry serious risks. Yet many seniors continue with the same routines they've had for decades without realizing that these behaviors may be quietly damaging their health and even shortening their lives. So the question is, what are the dangerous parts of your nighttime routine? Which common habits are most likely to trigger emergencies? And what simple changes can you make tonight to protect yourself and your loved ones? Well, you're in the right place because in this video we'll uncover 7 everyday sleeping habits that have already contributed to the deaths of many seniors this year. You won't want to miss habit number 2. It's the most dangerous. But don't worry, I'll also share the safe alternatives so you can sleep soundly and confidently. Before we start, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Let's grow together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you are always updated with our latest health tips. Your journey to better health starts here and we're excited to be part of it. By the way, leave a comment and let us know where you're watching from. Now let's begin. Number 7. Drinking too much water before bed. Let's start with a habit that seems harmless. Because many people think it's healthy drinking water. Hydration is absolutely important, especially for seniors. It helps every cell function, regulates temperature, aids digestion, and keeps joints moving. But here's the catch. Drinking too much water close to bedtime can create hidden dangers. As we age, our kidneys weaken, bladder capacity decreases, and we feel the urge to urinate more often. A glass of water, tea or juice before sleep can mean waking up several times in the night. For seniors, this is dangerous. Imagine this. You're half asleep. It's dark. Your blood pressure drops as you stand up. And your balance isn't as strong as before. Even a simple trip to the bathroom can turn into a serious accident for a senior. According to the CDC, nighttime falls are one of the leading causes of hospitalization among seniors, and most of these accidents happen at night. Beyond falls, frequent bathroom trips interrupt deep sleep, the stage needed for brain repair and body recovery. Over time, this raises the risks of memory loss, dementia, high blood pressure, diabetes, and even heart complications. The solution is moderation and timing. Drink plenty of water in the morning and afternoon, but reduce intake 2 hours before bedtime. If you're thirsty, a few sips are enough. Avoid diuretic drinks such as coffee, black tea, green tea, or certain juices at night. If you must get up, keep pathways well lit with night lights or motion sensor lights and take your time standing up. This simple adjustment can prevent accidents, improve sleep quality, and protect your health without sacrificing the benefits of hydration. Number 6. Eating late at night. Many people, especially seniors, enjoy a late-night snack as a comfort habit. But as metabolism slows and digestion weakens with age, late meals can have serious consequences. Eating heavy, oily, or fatty foods before bed keeps your body working on digestion instead of repairing itself during sleep. The result? Acid reflux, heartburn, and for seniors, the risk of chronic inflammation, esophageal damage, or even aspiration pneumonia. Research shows that eating within 3 hours before bed significantly increases the risk of reflux. Beyond that, late eating can cause blood sugar spikes, which are especially dangerous for seniors with diabetes or reduced insulin sensitivity. It also disrupts nighttime blood pressure regulation, increasing the risks of heart attack and stroke. The solution is to finish dinner at least 3 hours before sleep. Choose light meals with lean proteins, vegetables and whole grains, and avoid fried or sugary foods. If you really need a snack, choose fruit, plain yogurt or a handful of nuts. Number 5. Sleeping in the wrong position. We all have our favorite sleep positions, but for seniors, some positions can be risky. Sleeping on your back supine may worsen breathing difficulties, block airways, and trigger sleep apnea. Even without diagnosis, it reduces oxygen intake and raises the risk of stroke, heart attack, or brain decline. Sleeping on the right side can also strain major blood vessels and affect heart function. The safest. Sleeping on the left side. Experts recommend this because it improves circulation, reduces reflux, and supports brain detoxification. Use supportive pillows between the knees or behind the back to maintain comfort. Number 4. Sleeping in a hot room. Many seniors prefer a warm bedroom, but excessive heat can disrupt the body's natural cooling process needed for deep sleep. Seniors are less able to regulate temperature, making them prone to overheating, dehydration, blood clots, irregular heartbeat, and stroke. The ideal bedroom temperature is between 15–19 degrees Celsius, 59–66 degrees Fahrenheit. Use breathable cotton sheets, light blankets, fans, or ventilation. This creates safer sleep and better body recovery. Number 3. Getting out of bed too quickly. Standing up suddenly at night can cause a sharp drop in blood pressure known as postural hypotension. This dizziness or blackout increases fall risks, fractures, and even life-threatening injuries. The solution: sit at the edge of the bed first. Move your feet and ankles and breathe deeply. Use night lights, grab bars, or non-slip slippers for safety. Number 2. Ignoring snoring, breathing pauses, or insomnia. Snoring may seem normal, but it could be a sign of obstructive sleep apnea, a dangerous, often undiagnosed condition. Repeated breathing pauses reduce oxygen, strain the heart, and raise risks of hypertension, heart attack, stroke, memory loss, and dementia. Warning signs include loud snoring, gasping for air, daytime fatigue, or morning dry mouth. Seniors should consult a doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment options such as SPAP, weight management, or lifestyle adjustments. Number 1. Taking certain medications before sleep. Many seniors take medications at night, sleeping pills, blood pressure meds, or pain relievers. But sedatives such as benzodiazepines, e.g. diazepam, clonazepam, alprazolam, slow the nervous system and breathing, raising risks of falls, confusion, and even death. Some pain relievers, antidepressants, or blood pressure drugs can also interfere with deep sleep, lower blood pressure too much, or damage organs over time. The solution: consult a doctor before adjusting medications. Avoid sedatives if unnecessary. Try natural sleep aids like herbal tea or relaxation techniques and monitor blood pressure regularly. In conclusion, small changes in your nightly routine can make a huge difference for your safety and longevity. Now that you know the 7 dangerous sleep habits, it's time to take action. Adjust your bedroom temperature, rethink your evening snacks, and be mindful of your medications. Have you experienced any of these habits yourself? Do you have tips for safer, healthier sleep? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community for more health tips. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Your journey to better sleep and better health begins tonight.